Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. Today's video is on braiding session with Ella. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, I say a big welcome and I say you'll be loving it here. On this channel, I post do-it-yourself hair care for myself and my daughter, and I also post videos of hair making tutorials for my clients as well. And today I'm going to be showing us this braiding session with my beautiful and amazing Ella. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned with me. Alright, the first thing you want to do while braiding braiding hair is to first section the hair. I mean, you'll want to have like a rough estimate of what you want. Like, do you want like a semi-circle section or a rectangular section, or whatever section you want? You have to first decide on what section you're making for your client. And the next thing is you want to get a very good quality jam or hair cream or whatsoever that would facilitate the sectioning, or I mean that will make the sectioning come out very good. And after that, you want to have a very good sectioning comb, like the tail comb, or popularly called the rat comb, you know. And then you have your extension, of course. That's what you want to use for your braiding, right? And then the next thing is to start braiding the hair. First, you want to part the hair into two for you to easily walk on the hair. Like I usually do, I just part the hair into two halves, like into two halves to enable me walk on the hair properly and to get equal section. So you don't want to make the hair one side fuller than the other, so you want to go round and round and make sure all the sections are equal. So I usually start from the back. Usually start from the back, but you can start anywhere. Just make sure that they are all equal, the sections are equal. All right everyone, I hope you enjoyed this braiding section, and if you have any question, you can leave me a comment in the comment section or ask your question, and I will gladly reply your question. And somewhere around this video I also showed how to get the extension hair you'll be using. So if you section your hair, that hair I just sectioned, that singular section right there, you also want to get the same extension just like that, so it's equal with the hair. And then you want to divide it into two, with one smaller than the other. So the smaller one and the bigger one. So the smaller one goes over the bigger one, just like I just did. And then you want to tuck your finger in between one of your, that finger I just showed, in between the hair, and just grip the hair on the base. Gripping is very important to this when it comes to braiding. You want to have like a very clean grip at the base, else your braiding will come out very good. So I'm gonna try to show it one more time. Yeah, I think I showed it one more time in this video, and I hope you understand it. If this is your first time of making braids, don't be scared. We'll learn along the line. If you want to try making braids at home, you can just give it a try. You make mistake and just correct your mistake over time. I'm going to try to show it one more time. So you get the section of the hair right there, and the extension you'll be using will be of the same size with the hair. And then just divide it into two, cross the smaller one over the bigger one, and then grip it through your finger and then grip it on the hair. I hope you understand. All right, I will try to make like a very slow video some other time where I will just show the stepwise process. I think I'm quite fast yet.